Hello, my name is Tysiachniouk. I will retell about governance generating network (GGN) concept that I developed with my colleagues for analyzing transnational governance by private authority. The GGN concept was developed especially for analyzing private authority in governance. You see the artistic image of Forest Stewardship Council GGN as an example. GGN represents networks which play a crucial role in the development of global regulatory tools, products, or standards to be implemented in different parts of the world. The concept grows out of two existing bodies of literature: the Sociology of Transnational Processes, Networks and Flows, developed by Manuel Castells, Saskia Sassen, and John Ury. Second, political science literature on policy and governance networks. GGN links sociology and political science literature and operationalizes sociology of networks and flows to concrete policy. Following Castells, we distinguish between the spaces of places in which day-to-day practices take place and transnational spaces, disconnected from concrete geographical settings. The GGN link transnational and local spaces and generated new arrangements in both venues. GGN comprised three structural elements: nodes of global governance design, forums of negotiation, and sites of implementation. Nodes of design are core centers in which new global governance standards are being initiated, planned, and developed. Their abstraction and standardization is taking place. Sites of implementation are the places where the new global rules, norms, and regulatory products are being transferred and translated into concrete practices in certified forests or fisheries, for example. The process includes interpretation and decoding of global designs. Forums of negotiation play an important role in the design of global regulatory products, in their adaptation to different contexts, institutionalization, and implementation. They occur at different scales from global to local and across hierarchy of scales. When transnational standards are implemented, they affect the rights and responsibilities of place-based actors. Therefore, the GGN approach to global governance has an explicit focus on local actors and dynamics at the implementation stage. There are many networks with nodes and forums that make an effort to develop global regulatory products with the goal of changing practices in particular places. However, some networks die, others take decades to evolve, while there are those that develop their governance capacity to the extent that they finally become powerful GGNs. I will illustrate GGN on the example of Forest Stewardship Council certification scheme. The FSC represents a voluntary certification scheme based on the principles of sustainable development, which presumes a balance of economic, environmental, and social aspects of forest management. The FSC GGN has a multi-actor node with a democratic form of governance. It is coordinated from the International Center, where the FSC president and staff are located. The FSC node includes national and regional offices. The legislative body of the FSC is its General Assembly, simultaneously representing its largest forum. The International Center is its executive body. The General Assembly is the main strategic driver for the FSC, allowing members to introduce changes to the system. Smaller forums are working groups, chamber meetings, and internet forums for discussing various issues. Sites of implementation are FSC-certified forest management units that comply with global FSC standards and demonstrate sustainable forest management in practice. As you can see, GGN represents a generative process of shifting relationships associated with design, transfer, and implementation of governance. It allows analyzing multi-authority networks generated and mediated various actors with different sources of energy and power. It captures feedback loops and processes that occur transnationally, nationally, locally, as well as across hierarchy of scales.